rolling, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
So.
Nou, deze, we zijn nog 5 minuten al bezig.
Yeah. So, we brought this. We brought this, that, and my friend's going to weld. I'm going to ask him to first do the engine bay so I can like prep it more. While I'm doing that, he can, weld this sucker. Yeah, so this has a lot of welding. Oh, for fuck's sake. So yeah. So this is actually going to be just like welding, and more welding and grinding and welding. Alright, see you. Alright, so we just created a little fire. Alright, so he is welding up all the holes. It looks like shit right now, but we're going to, well, fix that. The reason why it doesn't sound that good is because it's such a slim plate, and we have fire again. Alright. Alright, so while Nathan is welding the engine bay, I'm going to unbolt the trunk lid because it is rusty, and as you can see, and we're going to repaint it because there are holes in the trunk here, because there was originally a spoiler on the car, but we didn't like it. And we're going to run a GT wing in the future, so we want to have a clean trunk lid to start with, but I still want to keep the original locking system. That is what I'm doing right now. I am unbolting the lock, the whole mechanism, the wires, and try and save as much as I can. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to try and film whilst I'm doing this. Fuck me. Okay, filming and working on cars is not easy. What the fuck? Oh! What are you doing, mate? Yeah. Er is iets aan brand. Nee, nee, nee.
Ja, ik voel het.
Yeah, fire. Fire in the hole.
Fire in mijn hol. Fire in my asshole.
This is, well, Nathan's work. He plugged up the holes. Did this big hole. We left a bit of weld there to make it stronger because there was rust over there, and he welded those holes too. The only holes that we're not going to weld are those because I don't know what they are used for. So yeah. Now we are going to start well, doing this. This is the turbo, and the engine is pretty much ready to be, well, prepped for paint. Ready to cut our turbo. Bulge. Oh, yeah, nope, yeah, nope. Sketchy situations.
Nee, dat kan niet. Die schudden.
Ja, überall, die Maschine. So we'll have to reclock our turbo, as you can see. The oil feed is right here and the exhaust port is here, so yeah, it's not right. Unless we do a bottom mount setup, but yeah, this won't work. So as you saw in the video, we did the engine bay, the holes. I did rust at the back, which I'm going to show you. Right here, there and there. Then we also did the turbo, which you saw in last clip. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Like golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see it shine.